Limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Hats and caps unboxings. And here we go. It is going to be an NHL cap from New Era. And that is very rare because of the fact that Fanatics is the NHL's new merchandise maker. New Era does not make NHL hats anymore. Only team stores, the team stores of some NHL teams, will create New Era hats. And that's not very many. So let's take a look at what we have in today. Here we go, the Toronto Maple Leafs, part of the original 6 from the NHL's inception. Let's take a look at the front. Let's take a look at the logo. Very sharp. Working with a 7 1/4. Back shot. Navy blue NHL logo. Pretty crisp. Under visor, under the brim. Navy blue. Typical New Era tag. 7 1/4. And the vintage hockey logo. We see that on some of the NHL hats from New Era. And there's the classic 5950. So a lot of people aren't happy with the Fanatics merchandise. A lot of people really want the NHL and New Era to come together and bring back the hats, the snapbacks, and the fitteds. Doesn't look like it's going to happen anytime soon. Like as mentioned, the team stores have the option to create New Era with their New Era contracts. There's a lot of team stores that do not have New Era contracts, only Fanatics. So that's just the way it is. It's going to be a long time, I think, until we see NHL New Era hats. So if you see one, you got to snag it up, I suppose, if you're really into the New Era, like many people are. A lot of people prefer New Era over Fanatics. There's a lot of New Era diehards. Fanatics does make a solid hat, in my opinion, but New Era obviously is just top of the hat game, without question. Look at this Toronto Maple Leafs hat. You like it? Love it? Hate it? Pretty classic looking, in my opinion, and it's pretty nice, I'd say. So, thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, please subscribe. More NHL hats on the way. We'll catch you on the next one. Take a look at the description for all the details. Very important. We'll see you later. Have a good night.